Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make crepe filled with meat, and for that we need 3 eggs, 1.5 teaspoon of soda, milk, water, and flour. So let's start. For the beginning, we are crushing the eggs, and all that we'll need to do is mixing them. After having mixed them, we are adding 1 cup of water, which has to be a little bit warm. Later, we are adding the milk, which has to be 3 cups. So go on and add the milk. After, we'll be needing to add 1.5 teaspoon of soda. After adding that as well, all you have to do now is adding the flour. In fact, we need to add 2.5 and 3 cups of flour. However, it all depends to the mixture, so all we have to do is mixing the whole dough properly and constantly, and then adding the flour little by little. And then go on and squeeze the whole dough so that there won't be left any flour balls in that. Whenever it's ready, just turn on the gas and put a little bit of oil into the pan, and just all you have to do now is making some light crepes out of what you have just made. Make sure that both sides are properly cooked. Here it is. They will have a very beautiful coloring. So go on and repeat the same with all of them. After that, all you will have to do is fill them with the meat. For the meat, all we have to do is having it cooked with 1 onion and greens, parsley to be more exact, and the meat can also be added with red and black peppers and salt, of course. So now all you have to do is filling it with the meat and doing it and repeating it with the whole crepes that you have got. After finishing it, you can turn on the gas again and cook them in the pan, in the oil. Again, turn them properly so that all of the sides will be cooked equally. And whenever they are ready, just take them out and make sure you're ready to eat this tasty, wonderful crepe.